Hi, I'm Bill Wallace here with Crandall Office Furniture. Today I'm going to show you how to put a lumbar on your Think V1. If you have a mesh back, what I would recommend is taking the back all the way off. To do that, go all the way to the bottom, press gently, goes in. Now the lumbar goes into these little cracks right here, it just snaps in. Like so. Make sure it's all the way in. Flip your back over around and put the back on. And there's little knobs at the end of this where these go into. Put those in and you are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Crandall Office Furniture videos. Thank you for watching. I don't know what the rest of the word is. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe, and then, yeah, so go ahead, start over.